So right now we're helping a client who just bought a property under contract and it is half finished, meaning this property has been started as a renovation, but the existing owner has decided that it's not for them anymore. They're moving on and they're selling it as is. Now, I will tell you that most institutions in Canada will have a real challenge with that property and will not fund. But there are specialized lenders who will lend specifically on this type of asset. They are going to give you a loan which is effectively a construction loan, which will allow you to buy the property, close on it, and then they'll also fund you a certain amount of money you need to complete the renovations. So our plan with this client is for him to buy this property, get it renovated, and within about 3 months, his plan is to then sell. These opportunities are out there at significantly discounted rates. This particular client himself, he's a contractor, and we work with a lot of contractors who know that they can do the job themselves, but we also work with a bunch of investors who look for these types of properties. Those investors, by the way, they generally have big lines of credit which we've secured against other property, and they're able to go in with very large down payments, which also helps them in these transactions. If you're interested to learn more, reach out. We'd be happy to help you.